Hello, my name is Sam, and welcome to Brain Tech. In this video, I will show you how to discover button missing on TikTok. To start, open your TikTok application in your mobile device. Once you are in TikTok, tap on your profile on the bottom right, tap on the three lines on the upper right, and then head on over to Settings and Privacy, then scroll down. First, you will need to log out your TikTok application. Once you have logged out of TikTok, this time, tap on Profile on the bottom right once again. In here, tap on Log In or Sign Up. For now, close the login pop-up over at TikTok. In here, I am opening my internet browser, then I will be reading to you a hot fix coming from the internet. To fix it, first, go to your settings. Then, log out of TikTok. After logging out, tap on TikTok once again, and then you should see Discover. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.